Here's a weird piece of American history you probably never heard of. President Andrew Jackson owned a pet parrot named Paul. And Paul had one major talent. He could cuss like a sailor. Jackson loved teaching his parrot new phrases. And let's just say he didn't pick the polite ones. But here's where it gets wild. At Jackson's funeral in 1845, the parrot had to be removed from the ceremony. Why? Because Paul started screaming loud nonstop profanity in front of the entire crowd. Witnesses said the bird was so out of control, it was cursing so furiously, they couldn't even continue the service. So yes, a US president's funeral was interrupted by a foul-mouthed parrot. Follow for more strange facts.